Last year, I had a video go pretty viral about magnetic eyelashes and liner, and since then, the two brands that I spoke about in that video, which were Ardell and Moxie Lash, were still the only ones I had ever tried until today. I was talking to some of you in our Facebook group, and if you're not a member, the link will be down below, and somebody in the group mentioned that they love the Eyeliner Magnetic Eyeliner and Eyelash Kit from Amazon. Now, I was really surprised because I had never heard of this, but if you actually search magnetic lashes on Amazon, this is the first thing that comes up. It's got 4.5 stars with over 7,000 reviews. So you know your girl had to test it out. So that's what we're doing today. If you're new here, hi, my name is Miranda. Welcome to my channel where we talk all things budget beauty. If that sounds interesting to you, then become the newest member of the Slashed Squad by hitting subscribe and the bell icon. So this magnetic eyelash and eyeliner kit costs about $25 on Amazon, and the value is definitely there. You get 5 different pairs of magnetic lashes, 2 tubes of the magnetic eyeliner, and an eyelash applicator. Considering I think the Ardell one was like $15 for just one eyeliner and 1 pair of lashes, this definitely gives you bang for your buck. So before applying the magnetic eyeliner, I am gonna do my favorite trick, which is creating the eyeliner look that I want with my normal eyeliner. And then the magnetic eyeliner will go just straight up against my lash line. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I will be creating a little bit of a wing today. Now, as much as I've come to love magnetic liner and lashes, the one downside is that the liner is never clear, so you do have to have some type of eyeliner look, and your eyeliner needs to be thick enough for the magnets to have space to attach. So I tend to find myself doing thick winged liner when I wear magnetic lashes. And we'll go ahead and curl the lashes so that they blend into the falsies better. Now, the reason why I do my winged liner with just my normal liquid liner is because there's no reason for me to be using magnetic liner to create a wing that the lash isn't gonna be attached to. Now, because I do usually reuse my magnetic lashes over and over again, more so than normal lashes, I don't like gunking them up with a lot of product like mascara residue, but I will add just the thinnest layer possible to my natural lashes just to sort of separate them and darken them up. This will also help them hold their curl so they don't droop underneath the magnetic lashes throughout the day. All right, let's go in with the Eyeliner Magnetic Liquid Liner. Now, I'm really glad that this comes with a liquid liner over a gel one because it's gonna be so much easier to apply, and it's just what I'm used to, especially because it comes in a brush form like this. Wow, actually this liquid liner looks on the thinner side. Wow. So taking the magnetic eyeliner, I'm gonna apply it over the eyeliner I already did, but focusing right up against the lash line. And again, you wanna make sure you have a thick enough line for the magnets to hold on to, and you wanna go from corner to corner. Don't leave anything bare. Now, in the time it took for me to do the liner on just this eye, the swatch that I have on my hand completely set, and I think it's safe to say that it is budge proof. So I'm gonna be taking the second style here, and I did pre-trim it because I noticed that it was very, very wide. Now, trimming magnetic lashes is tricky because you need to have a magnet on either end of the lash. So there was only really one spot I could trim these. Hopefully they fit me now. Okay, it was probably not smart of them to make this applicator metal because the lash wants to stick to the applicator. Oh, that was really easy though. Okay. Yeah, I can feel the magnetic force and it feels pretty secure. Okay, this was not smart of them because now I'm trying to like press my lashes together, but the magnet wants to come off and stick to this. Yes, okay. Yeah, that feels really secure actually. Something else that I'm noticing, unlike the Ardell eyeliner, which is inherently thicker as a gel, this blends in really well with the eyeliner I'm already wearing. It doesn't create like an obvious line of demarcation. It doesn't look like there's a chunky layer on top of my eyeliner, and the brush applicator makes it really easy to get precise. I am letting the liner completely dry before I apply the lash, just so that way, again, it doesn't gunk up. This time I'm just gonna use my fingers to pop on the lash. Wow, it just really snaps in place. So according to the box, these are supposed to be waterproof, or at least the eyeliner is. So I'm gonna be doing a wear test and see how these hold up as I sweat throughout the day, as I move around, because it's supposed to be 104 degrees today. So let's see how these do when faced with a desert summer day, and if they do well, then these may just be my new favorite magnetic lashes. I'll see you in a few for an update. It has been 7.5 hours since I put these lashes on and they still look amazing. I only had one teeny tiny problem and it was 100% my fault. I totally forgot that the Wet n Wild liner I used under the magnetic liner is not sweat-proof at all. So when that started to wear off in my inner tear duct, it disturbed the magnetic liner in that area as well. So that was totally my fault, and if you do use the liner layering technique, then you're definitely gonna wanna use a long-lasting eyeliner underneath the magnetic one. But I just touched it up really quickly, popped the corner back in, and we've been good ever since. And on this side, I think I layered the magnetic eyeliner thicker on the inner corner, so that one just stayed down all day. So I'm incredibly impressed. I just came back from running around in the heat and I'm feeling glam as hell. I really don't have anything bad to say about these magnetic lashes. They give you such a good bang for your buck. And the fact of the matter is, they look just as full and fluffy as my Moxie Lash lashes at a fraction of the price. Plus, they are synthetic, but they don't have that shiny look that a lot of fake lashes have, so they do look high-end and luxurious. Also, if you want to buy a single replacement of the magnetic liner from this brand, it's only $8.50, which is cheaper than the Ardell magnetic liner. And I like it more because it's liquid and it's a brush tip and it's just so much easier to apply. All in all, these are totally Miranda approved. I want to know, what are your favorite magnetic lashes? Tell me in the comments below. Today's shout out goes to Priscilla. Thanks for being a member of the Slashed Squad. And join me over in this video next where I test and rank the best drugstore foundations for summer. I'll see you over there. Bye!